Today we're going to be talking about solving exponential equations, and we're going to be using the exponent property of equality, which basically says if you have b to the x equals b to the y, in other words, the two bases are the same, then the exponents, x and y, must be equal to each other. So for instance, if we have this situation where 2 to the 3x minus 4 equals 2 to the x power, since the bases are both the same, they're both 2's, the exponents must be equal to each other. So 3x minus 4 must be equal to x. And so that gives us an equation to solve, which we can go ahead and do just by subtracting 3x from each side. So the 3x's cancel, and I have negative 4 equals, now this is really like having a 1x minus 3x, which gives you negative 2x. To solve that, you want to get x alone, so you have to divide by negative 2. So the negative 2's cancel, and we have x equals negative 4 divided by negative 2, which gives you positive 2. Okay? Now, if we look at this next problem here, we have 6 to the x equals 36. You notice we don't have the same bases, but could we create the same bases? Could we write 36 so that it would have 6 as a base? And sure enough, 36, remember, is equal to 6 to the second power. So this would be the same thing as having 6 to the x equals 6 to the second. So if the bases are the same, the 6's, then the exponents must be equal to each other. So that means x would have to be equal to 2. And that's pretty much it for solving exponential equations. Thank you for joining me.